How to crochet this super cute emotional support pickle. Hello, welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I will show you how to crochet this super easy emotional support pickle. So I printed out a encouragement words. Then I'm using a safety eye, and 4mm crochet hook, that's tulip, and pair of scissors, stick glue, lighter, and red and pink yarn for blush and lips, and then acrylic yarn color green. So to start, make a magic ring, chain 1, then put 6 single crochet inside the ring. Four, 5, and 6. Tighten up the ring. Insert your hook into the first single crochet. Grab the yarn and make 2 single crochet in that same stitch. So put 2 single crochet in each of the following 6 single crochet on your previous row. If you can't see your stitches, you need to use a stitch mark. Tighten up your magic ring. So now make a single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. That will be our second round. Single crochet into the next, 2 single crochet into the next. We are increasing our work. And now into the third round, you're going to put single crochet, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. All the way around. So now you're going to single crochet all the way around. You should have a total of 24 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops into your hook, and single crochet all together, then single crochet into the next stitch. This will be your first pickle wart. So as you go along in your crochet, you can always put anywhere you wanted, but you just have to divide, or make sure that it's not really close to each other as well, as shown on the finished product. So now continue doing this up to 7 and 8 rows or round before you put the safety eye in between your 7 and 8 round. As like I said, 7 and 8 rounds. Put your safety eye. Count 5 space or stitches and then put another eye. Then put the safety cup, and I always burn the end of the safety eye and push it in so it will be really secure. just like that. So using a pink yarn, putting the blush, you're gonna put it under the eye. Just a normal sewing. And you don't have to pull it tightly, so you can see a little bump on the blush, kind of. Then tie it up to secure. And cut the yarn and leave a little tail. Then using a red yarn or thread, you are going to put the mouth or the lips of our work. Just as shown on the video. Find the center. Insert your needle into that thread and pull to form a smiley face. Then tie it to secure. So now continue doing your single crochet all the way around for up to 20 rows. From the start, you've made your first warts. So all you have to do is count from the first warts that you made for 20 rows or round. Then don't forget to put a polyfill or stuffing. Look how cute it is, guys. And here we are. We're done with our 20 round. So now decreasing our work. Single crochet, then 2 stitches together for 6 times. And into the last row, single crochet and 2 single crochet together. Don't forget to put the stuffing. And then slip stitch. Cut the yarn, leave the allowance for sewing. For sewing, you just have to do a front loop only and pull the yarn to close your work. Then secure the end. And you're done with your pickle. So now using a yarn again, we're going to make our arm. Chain of up to 9 stitches or chain, yarn over, and double crochet into the back loop of your work from the second stitch from your hook. And you should have a total of 8 double crochet. Make 2 of this. Now we're gonna do a top of the pickle. Chain above 2, 6. And then put 3 single crochet in each stitches. 3 single crochet in each stitches. slip stitch into the last stitch and cut your yarn, leave allowance for sewing. Now it's time to assemble. Put that on top of the pickle deal and the arm as well. Put it, make sure to equally put that, and then using the knitting needle you have to push in all the excess yarn to secure, and your work will be cleaner. As you can see there on the video, I always hide the yarn instead of cutting it. So using your lighter, just burn all the fiber that are shown there, and stick glue, put it into the hand, and then put your letter of encouragement just like that. And do onto the other side as well. And here it is, our finished product. It's the emotional support pickle. Deal with it, guys. Thank you for watching.